Affenpinscher Dog Breed Information. Chapter 1: History and Origin of the Affenpinscher. The Affenpinscher is a breed of dog that has been around for centuries. Its origins can be traced back to Germany, where it was bred as a ratter used to hunt rodents in stables and homes. The breed's name literally means a monkey-like terrier in German, reflecting the dog's unique appearance. The evolution of the Affenpinscher began with its ancestors, which included various types of terriers and pinschers. Over time, these dogs were selectively bred for their ratting abilities and their small size. This resulted in the Affenpinscher we know today, a small, compact dog with a wiry coat and distinctive monkey-like face. Throughout history, the Affenpinscher has served as more than just a rodent hunter. It was also kept as a companion animal by royalty and nobility in Europe during the 17th century. In fact, Queen Victoria herself owned several Affenpinschers. During World War II, however, the breed nearly became extinct due to food shortages and bombing raids destroying breeding kennels. But thanks to dedicated breeders who managed to keep some dogs alive during this difficult time period, the breed survived. Today's Affenpinschers are still used as rat catchers on occasion, but they are primarily kept as family pets due to their charming personality traits such as loyalty and protectiveness towards their owners. In conclusion, understanding the history of where your beloved pet comes from can be both fascinating and informative. The evolution of the breed highlights how they've become such wonderful companions over time. As we discuss further on this book's pages about physical characteristics and temperament, Chapter 2, Grooming Needs, Chapter 4, Health Issues that Commonly Occur, Chapter 3, Training Requirements, Chapter 5, you'll see how much care is taken when it comes to loving and taking care of your Affenpinscher. So, let's dive in and get to know the Affenpinscher breed better. Chapter 2: Physical Characteristics and Temperament. The Affenpinscher is a small dog breed that packs a lot of personality into its small frame. This chapter will delve into the physical characteristics and temperament of this unique breed. At just 9 to 11 inches tall and weighing between 6 and 13 pounds, the Affenpinscher is a compact dog with a sturdy build. Their signature look comes from their rough, shaggy coat, which can be black, gray, silver, or tan in color. The Affenpinscher's expressive eyes are dark and round, while their ears are erect triangles that sit high on their head. Despite their small size, the Affenpinscher is known for being confident, loyal, and protective. These dogs have big personalities that make them great companions for families who want a dog with spunk. They can be quite vocal at times, but this trait also makes them excellent watchdogs. While they may be stubborn at times, the Affenpinscher is intelligent and eager to please their owners, which makes training them relatively easy. Early socialization is key as they tend to bond closely with their family members but can be reserved around strangers or other dogs. Affenpinschers enjoy moderate exercise, which can include daily walks or playtime in a securely fenced yard. However, they do not require excessive amounts of exercise, which makes them ideal for apartment living, or those who cannot commit to long walks every day. As far as health concerns go, the Affenpinscher is generally considered a healthy breed with an average lifespan of around 12 to 14 years. However, like all breeds, there are some health issues that may affect them, such as hip dysplasia, patellar luxation, knee problems, dental issues due to their small mouths, and heart disease. Grooming needs for an Affenpinscher vary depending on whether you choose to keep their coat short or long. Regular brushing and occasional trims are necessary to keep their coat looking healthy and shiny. It is also important to keep their teeth clean through regular brushing and dental checkups, as they are prone to dental issues. In summary, the Affenpinscher is a small but mighty breed with a unique look and personality. They make great companions for those who want a dog that is loyal, protective, and full of character. Early socialization, moderate exercise, regular grooming, and proper dental care can help ensure your Affenpinscher lives a long and healthy life. As we continue our exploration of the Affenpinscher breed in this book titled Affenpinscher Dog Breed Information, we will dive deeper into the health concerns common to this breed in the next chapter. Chapter 3: Health Issues Common to Affenpinschers. As much as we love our furry friends, it's important to be aware of the health issues that may affect them. The Affenpinscher breed is no exception, and in this chapter, we'll examine some common health problems that can afflict these adorable dogs. Hip dysplasia is a genetic condition that affects many dog breeds, including Affenpinschers. It occurs when the hip joint doesn't develop properly and can lead to arthritis and mobility issues. Symptoms of hip dysplasia include difficulty standing up or climbing stairs, limping, and decreased activity levels. While there is no cure for hip dysplasia, there are treatments available that can help manage the symptoms. Another condition common in Affenpinschers is patellar luxation. This occurs when the kneecap slips out of place and can cause lameness or an abnormal gait. In severe cases, surgery may be necessary to correct the problem. Heart disease can also affect Affenpinschers. Specifically, mitral valve disease is more common in this breed than others. This condition causes damage to one of the heart's valves, which results in blood flowing backwards instead of forward through the heart chambers, leading to heart failure over time. Affenpinschers are also at risk for dental problems due to their small mouths and crowded teeth. Tooth decay or gum disease may arise without proper dental hygiene, such as regular brushing with a dog-friendly toothpaste. It's important for owners of Affenpinschers to be aware of these potential health issues so they can recognize symptoms early on and seek treatment promptly. Regular veterinary checkups are recommended, along with discussions on vaccines essential for protecting your furry friend against other diseases like rabies or parvovirus. In addition to seeking professional healthcare assistance from veterinarians when necessary, pet owners should take proactive preventative measures such as maintaining healthy diets with sufficient vitamins and minerals, regular exercise and grooming routines, and avoiding overfeeding to maintain a healthy weight. By being aware of these common health problems, owners can ensure the best possible quality of life for their beloved Affenpinschers. In conclusion, while Affenpinschers are known for their unique personalities and adorable faces, it's important to understand the potential health issues that may affect them. By taking proactive measures to maintain their overall health and seeking prompt treatment for any issues that arise, we can help ensure a long, happy life for our furry friends. Chapter 4: Grooming an Affenpinscher. Grooming an Affenpinscher can be a rewarding experience for both you and your furry friend. This chapter will provide you with all the necessary information to keep your Affenpinscher's coat healthy and shiny. Regular grooming is essential for maintaining the health of your dog's coat. The frequency of grooming depends on the length and thickness of their fur, as well as their activity level. For instance, if your Affenpinscher spends most of its time indoors or in a relaxed environment, then weekly grooming sessions should suffice. On the other hand, if they are more active or spend time outdoors, then more frequent grooming may be necessary. When it comes to brushing your Affenpinscher's coat, it is best to use a slicker brush or comb that can remove tangles without damaging their hair. It is important to start at the base of their fur and work upwards toward the tips to prevent pulling on any mats or knots. Additionally, regular brushing can help reduce shedding and prevent matting. Bathing an Affenpinscher should be done only when necessary because overbathing can strip natural oils from their skin and cause dryness. Use a gentle shampoo designed specifically for dogs that won't irritate their skin or eyes. Afterward, make sure to rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water until all shampoo residue is removed. Trimming your dog's nails regularly helps prevent them from getting too long and causing discomfort while walking or running around. If you are not comfortable doing this yourself, consider taking them to a professional groomer. Another important aspect of grooming an Affenpinscher is dental care. Brushing your dog's teeth regularly helps prevent dental disease such as gingivitis and tooth decay. You can use toothpaste specifically made for dogs along with a soft-bristled toothbrush designed for small breeds like the Affenpinscher. Finally, it is essential to pay attention to any potential health issues during grooming. Regular grooming sessions allow you to check for any lumps or bumps on your dog's skin or paws that may require veterinary attention. Additionally, checking their ears regularly can prevent ear infections and other related health issues. In conclusion, grooming is an important part of keeping your Affenpinscher healthy and happy. Regular grooming sessions can help maintain their coat's health and shine while also preventing potential health issues down the line. By following the tips outlined in this chapter, you can make sure your Affenpinscher looks and feels its best at all times. Chapter 5: Training your Affenpinscher. Training an Affenpinscher can be both rewarding and challenging. This breed is known for their independent nature, which can make training them a bit of a struggle at times. However, with the right techniques and patience, you can train your Affenpinscher to become a well-behaved and obedient companion. One important thing to keep in mind when training your Affenpinscher is their personality traits. They are known for being loyal and protective of their families, but they can also be stubborn and have a mind of their own. Positive reinforcement techniques work best with this breed as they respond well to praise and rewards. When beginning the training process with your Affenpinscher, it is crucial to establish yourself as the pack leader early on. This means setting boundaries and rules that your dog must follow consistently. Teaching basic commands such as sit, stay, come, down, heel should be done first before moving on to more complex tasks. Socialization is another essential part of training an Affenpinscher. Introducing them to new environments, people or other dogs from an early age helps prevent any unwanted aggressive behavior towards strangers or other animals later on in life. Leash training should also begin early on in life so that your Affenpinscher grows up comfortable with wearing a leash while out for walks or runs. Using treats or toys as positive reinforcement during leash training sessions will help reinforce good walking behavior. When it comes to obedience competitions or activities such as agility courses, many owners enjoy participating in these activities with their Affenpinschers because they are intelligent dogs who love learning new things. However, it's important not to push them too hard too soon. Start simple and gradually build up complexity over time. In conclusion, while Affenpinschers can be challenging to train at times due to their independent nature, positive reinforcement techniques coupled with patience and consistency will ultimately lead to a well-behaved and obedient companion. Building social skills, teaching basic commands, and introducing them to new environments are all crucial parts of training an Affenpinscher. With the right approach, you'll have a happy and well-trained pet that will make your life richer and more fulfilling.